Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can up your chances of getting like rare pets and grow a garden. So sometimes, well, you'll get pets by hatching eggs, of course. So what you'll need to do is hopefully you have a lot of slot in your garden for eggs. If not, you can trade your pets for more slots in the shop section here in free upgrades. Here you'll need to trade in your pet for like for an egg equip slot. So we're just going to do that, and you're going to want to place the same eggs on your kind of like garden here, and then you're then going to open them all at once, and then hopefully you'll get the chance of a rarer egg. You'll get obviously less common eggs if you do it that way. From my personal experience, that's what happened to me, and I even got the golden goose from doing that. Or was I just lucky? I'm not sure, but that's how I got the golden goose. It was I put the same like type of eggs in my garden, and I put like the max, which is 4. So don't just like put one and then like open it, just like store them all and then open it all together. But that's probably it. Let me know if that actually works, but I don't know if I was lucky, but I did get the golden goose by doing that method. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.